Hello friends, today we're going to read Peppa at the Zoo. Madame Gazelle is taking Peppa and her friends to see the zoo for the day. Remember children, today we will be meeting wild animals, she said. Ooh, cried the children. Don't worry, says Madame Gazelle. The wild animals will be safely behind fences. Ah, a lion has escaped, cries Madame Gazelle. Hello, I'm Mr. Lion, the zookeeper. You picked a good time to visit, says Mr. Lion. It's feeding time. Which animal lives here? Asks Susie Sheep. Tortoises, says Mr. Lion. They move very slowly and live to be very old, says Madame Gazelle. Not all animals eat vegetables, says Madame Gazelle. That's right, Madame Gazelle, says Mr. Lion with a grin. Yes, well, says Madame Gazelle. Who lives here? Gulp, splash. Penguins, they eat fish. Ah, a crocodile, cries Madame Gazelle. I'm the keeper in charge of this part of the zoo. Look, there's my daddy. He's a keeper at the zoo too, cries Gerald Giraffe. Hello, smiles Mr. Giraffe. Can you guess what sort of animal I look after? They fly and get all their food from the flowers. Flit, flutter, flitter, flutter. Where are they? Asks Peppa. Look carefully at the flowers, says Mr. Giraffe. Ooh, pretty butterflies, says the chili. Thank you for showing us around the zoo, says Madame Gazelle. All this talk about food has made me very hungry. Me too, says Mr. Lion. It's our feeding time now. What's for our lunch today, Mr. Lion? Asked Mrs. Crocodile. Can you guess? Roars Mr. Lion. Hee hee. Little picnics in boxes. Yummy, says Peppa. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked the book. See you next time.